This is Midland NOAA Weather Radio. We have received an alert from the National Weather Service. Please stand by. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami watch for Madison FL, Lafayette FL, Palm Beach FL, Union FL, Miami-Dade FL, Hamilton FL, Jackson FL, Charlotte FL, Pinellas FL, Liberty County, Orange FL, Lee FL, Folk FL. Effective until October 3, 2024, 7:08 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Remember, a tsunami watch is when conditions are favorable for the occurrence of a tsunami. It means that a tsunami is possible, but not yet confirmed. During a tsunami watch, people in the affected area should stay alert, monitor local news and updates, and be prepared to take action if necessary. Remember to stay alert. If an earthquake happens, duck cover and hold on. That's all of the message. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the following counties: Madison FL, Lafayette FL, Palm Beach FL, Union FL, Miami-Dade FL, Hamilton FL, Jackson FL. Effective until October 3, 5:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Around 4:43 a.m. a tsunami was detected, and it was confirmed heading to your area. Residents in these areas are strongly advised to evacuate to higher ground immediately. Follow designated evacuation routes, avoid coastal areas, rivers, and low-lying areas, bring any important and necessary items like a portable radio, and others. And tune into local news for updates and instructions, and stay alert for further alerts and guidance from authorities. The National Weather Service has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties: Madison FL, Lafayette FL, Palm Beach FL, Union FL, Miami-Dade FL, Hamilton FL, Jackson FL, Charlotte FL, Pinellas FL, Liberty FL, Orange FL, Lee FL, Folk FL. Effective until tsunami dissipates. Tsunami on the loose. If you are in a flooded area, prioritize finding high ground or sturdy structures to climb to safety. If you are unable to move to higher ground, seek refuge on the highest point available within your current location. Stay calm and listen for any available instructions from local authorities. Time is limited, and your immediate actions are crucial for survival. Tsunami ended. I repeat. Tsunami ended. The National Weather Service has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties: Madison FL, Lafayette FL, Palm Beach FL, Union FL, Miami-Dade FL, Hamilton FL, Jackson FL, Charlotte FL, Pinellas FL, Liberty FL, Orange FL, Lee FL, Boca FL. The tsunami threat is over, and it's safe to go on ground, but it depends on your opinion. But it's not safe yet to go back to your house as it might be destroyed. If you need any assistance, call your nearest local authorities. If emergency needed, call the appropriate authorities. Stay tuned to weather broadcasts for future updates.